Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a little short video here. I purchased this today in a little thrift store, and it's the Weller PU1D, and it came with bag of tips. I've not opened them up. I might open them up and have a look. Let me just put you in a stand. Hold on. Alright, come with a bag of tips. Let's get these out and have a look at these. The guy just threw it in with it. I mean, they've been used and resharpened, so whoever had this looked after this. I don't know if they actually fit there, do they? Yeah, I think they do. But put them to the side. And also, he gave me these with it as well. 6 tubes. Doesn't feel that heavy, so I don't know how much is in them. But 6 tubes of solder. Or samples. Omega rosin free solder wire. Flux. Halide free. Fast flow. 2%. Yeah, there's not that, doesn't feel like there's a lot in there. So there's samples. But that'll do, 6 of them, 6 samples. Probably be a nice little bit of solder in there. Yeah, but this is the one I want to try. I'm going to plug it in. Let me unwind it first. I know this is probably not that interesting for anyone, but it's an old vintage soldering iron. How do you get that out of there? How did someone get that in there? Let me unwind this. Right, we're back. It's got the old type plug on there, you know, without the shielding, which is see, the new type has a shielding that's to stop it touching it when you're pulling them out. So yeah, let's plug it in so it works. The only thing I'm a bit concerned about, it says on there to suit 24 volt temperature controlled soldering pencil TCP1. So I don't know. Let me see if there's any electric going to it. You can hear it. So if we have a look, it's just quite a nice little one really. If we put it on now, I can smell it, so it must be .24 volts, yeah. So it's pushing out 24 volts. Let's see if it melts something. How quick does it work? Wow. That's quicker than my other one. I think this might be my new soldering iron, because I've got my other one is it's just a Parkside one of these ones, but this one seems to be actually quite nice and insulated as well. Look at that. I won't say how much well, I will say I bought it for £5. Hey, what a lovely little item. I wonder when it's from. Doesn't say. Let me turn it off. It's got nothing underneath written. It's a solid item. Absolutely nice, beautiful little thing. I'll take you off. Hold on. Yeah, it's a lovely little solid item. See it there? I think it's very old. I'm not sure the exact age. But yeah, it's in good nick. And with the tips and the solder for £5. See you on the next one. Please like and subscribe.